Part 4. Let's start. This is full. So, can we take it back or just keep going? Okay. If I get this, keep going. If I get this, I will take it back. Nothing. Then, bruh. Nothing. Nothing. Ooh, let's take it back.
Doon sa loob. Doon sa loob nila. Tapos doon nila. Nice ba yan? Hey, nice ba itong hollow block?
Oo, 200 sana yan. Kailan mo na muna
Binigay kayo ng 200?
mag-order ulit siya ngayon. Tumawag.
It's so many. Something is there. Wait. Oh, bye-bye. See you on the part. Bye. Bye-bye. Wait.